The only way I survived, the only way I got through it, was by staying busy and keeping my mind, when it can be, focused on my job. The conservatives could sneer about social engineering if they wanted, but I thought that most people believed as I did that government should embody our best hopes and lend a hand to people who were struggling. We should not let this disease take over our entire existence. He told Bo to go home and live like he had a future, run for governor, have a purpose. Somewhere along the way I had begun to look up to my own sons. Never tell a man what his interests are. Be straight and open with him about your own interests. And try to put yourself in his shoes. Try to understand his hopes and his limitations, and never insist that he do something you know he cannot. It's really just about making the effort to make a personal connection.